So if you see the forward, both forward and reverse bias characteristics in the single graph, because there is a concept called this is VR. So up to this voltage, up to cut-in voltage, no current flows through the diode. The cut-in voltage will be different for silicon and germanium. This is 0.3 volt and this is 0.7 volt. And V gamma can be represented as a cut-in voltage. This is equal to 0.3 volts per germanium and 0.7 volts per silicon, and this is in the forward bias condition. So in the reverse bias condition, very small amount of current flows through the diode. So this is said to be reverse bias condition. Reverse bias. This is forward bias and this is reverse bias. That's what you have to remember. If anybody asks you draw the VI characteristics of the diode, means you should draw the both forward bias as well as reverse bias characteristics. So if you see this for Zener diode, there may be some different. Zener diode will be goes into the reverse in the breakdown region in the reverse bias condition. That is different thing. Here we are discussing about only PN normal PN junction diode. That's why you have to draw. If anybody asks you draw the VI characteristics of the PN junction, means you have to draw both. Specifically, can you draw the forward bias characteristics, means we have to draw up to this only for right side only. Reverse bias characteristics for reverse left side only. That's what you have to remember. So next concept is diode acts as a rectifier. So in the starting class, we have seen that the diode will be used in the rectifier, diode will be used in clippers, diode will be used in clampers. Like this, we have different applications. We know already. But here, one concept is there. Diode acts as a rectifier. Diode acts as a rectifier. Diode acts as a rectifier. How the diode acts as a rectifier? What is meant by rectifier? First of all, diode rectifier means it is a circuit. It is a circuit which converts bidirectional signal into unidirectional signal, like this, or it may be like this. Depends on our rectifier. There are different rectifiers are there, but I don't want to go for there. But simply I can say how the diode acts as a rectifier. This is up to 5 and 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi. This is time t. Here also time t. And this voltage is represented as a Vm, and this voltage will be represented as a minus Vm. Here this is also plus Vm, and this is plus Vm here. So this is a bidirectional signal and this is a unidirectional signal. This is a alternating current. This is a pulsating DC. This name is pulsating DC. What is meant by pulsating DC means it consists of both AC plus DC. If current flows through in the both half cycle, positive as well as negative half cycle, this is a positive as well as negative half cycle, then I can say this is alternating current. This is nothing but AC. But here the current will be flowing in only one direction. But completely DC means what? DC means the current will not change with respect to time. This type of signal is said to be DC. So why I am saying this is AC plus DC means with respect to time some amplitude will be changes. With respect to time some amplitude will be changes. But only unidirectional. Only the current is coming in the single direction. That's why it is said to be both AC plus DC. Here coming to here, the wave will be going for opposite positive as well as negative half cycle. That's why it is said to be pure AC. This is nothing but a pure AC. So how this diode will convert this alternating current into pulsating DC means, if you observe here, so in between I am drawing again. In between, when I put a diode here, simply I am putting I am placing one diode here. So this wave will be applied to the PN junction diode. I am taking one diode here and one resistor. So this is a voltage V0. So I am taking voltage at this place. So when I am applying this waveform to this diode, what happens is, when I am applying some very simple wave, small wave, When this wave is applied to this diode, what happens is, in the positive, when the positive half cycle is applied to this diode, when the positive half cycle is applied to this diode, this anode voltage is greater than cathode voltage. How we can say this is anode voltage is greater than cathode voltage means, here some positive voltage, here when I am going for this upside, some positive voltage will be going. This is grounded, this will be considered as a negative. So anode voltage is greater than cathode voltage. If anode voltage is greater than cathode voltage, it is connected in forward bias. When it is connected in forward bias, it acts as a short circuit. It acts as a short circuit. This is nothing but a short circuit. Here I am applying some input here. When it acts as a short circuit means, I am taking voltage here. This is resistance. I am taking voltage here. Here means here also same, here also same, here also same. That's why same input waveform. Whatever the input waveform is, I am applying same output I am getting. Same waveform I am getting. Similarly, when I am applying some negative half cycle here, when I am applying some after some duration, same negative half cycle I am applying. When this negative half cycle is applying, is applied with negative and this is applied with some 0 volt. So V anode is less than V cathode, which means zero value will be greater than the negative value. Zero value will be greater than the negative value. That's why V anode is less than V cathode or V cathode is greater than V anode. The diode will be goes into reverse bias. When it is goes into here, this is a forward bias. This is a forward bias, and the diode goes into reverse bias. When this diode goes into the reverse bias, it acts as an open circuit. When it is acts as an open circuit, this is voltage here, this is V0, and this is input. Input I am applying, this is a negative half cycle, sorry. So this is input, time t, Vi. So this is also time t. When I apply some negative half cycle here, there is no, I am taking voltage across this means, here I am applying open circuit means, no closed switch means, you cannot see waveform at this output. The output will be 0, we can say. So when the positive half cycle is coming, the diode will allow the current, same waveform will appear across the voltage, output. And when the diode is in negative, when the negative half cycle is coming, diode will not allow the flow of electron and it will stop the electrons. So if you see the waveform here, the total waveform will be like this. Some positive half cycle it will allow, a negative half cycle it will not allow. Some positive half cycle it will allow, some negative half cycle it will not allow. So this explains, this is V0 and this is time t. This is a Vm. This will explain how the diode acts as a rectifier. It will convert this bidirectional signal into unidirectional signal. It will not convert this alternating current into pure DC. It will convert alternating current into pulsating DC, which consists of AC plus DC. If anybody asks you what is meant by rectifier means, it is a circuit which converts alternating current into pulsating DC, not pure DC. Pulsating, what is meant by pulsating DC? They are asking. The pulsating DC is nothing but a AC plus DC, you have to say. That's what. This explains how the diode acts as a rectifier. For example, if I connect this diode in the reverse direction, what happens we'll see. Same diode, just I am reversing the diode, I am connecting the diode in reverse bias. I am reversing the diode. What happens we'll see. This is R and this is V0. So input I am applying, same input I am applying here. This is Vi T and this is Vm. This is minus Vm. So same input I am applying, but diode D is reverse here. When I apply very small waveform here, when this positive half cycle is applied, here. When this positive half cycle is applied means, this is a cathode terminal and this is a anode terminal. So cathode terminal, this is a positive means V cathode voltage is greater than the V anode voltage. V cathode voltage, this is a negative terminal is getting positive means V cathode voltage is greater than the V anode. Diode will be in the reverse bias condition. When the diode will be reverse bias, it acts as a open circuit. When this is acts as a open circuit, no current flows through the diode and the output will be 0. The output will be 0. This is V0 and this is T. So when I apply some negative half cycle here, negative half cycle, this negative terminal is connected to this cathode, means V cathode voltage is less than V anode. Why I am saying this is a less than means, here before going to apply 0 volts only, after going to apply 0 volts only. So compared to the negative voltage, positive anode voltage is greater than, compared to the negative voltage, 0 voltage is greater. That's why V cathode voltage is less than V anode, or V anode voltage is greater than V cathode. The diode will be goes into the forward bias condition. The diode will goes into the forward bias condition. When the diode goes into the forward bias condition, if you see here, it acts as a short circuit, it acts as an open circuit, it acts as a short circuit. In this case, it acts as a short circuit. When it acts as a short circuit, if you observe the voltage across this terminal, same. That's why whatever the voltage I am applying, same voltage, same waveform. Whatever the waveform I am applying, same waveform appears across the output. That's what if you see the total output at this circuit. So this is Vi, this is T, and this is V0. So the output will be first half cycle no current and second half cycle current will flows through the diode. First half cycle no current and second half cycle current flows through the diode. So this is the output of the rectifier, which means here I am applying some bidirectional signal, but we are getting only unidirectional signal. It may be forward bias, it may be positive half cycle, or it may be negative half cycle, but is in the unidirectional only. That's what is the purpose of the rectifier means, it converts the bidirectional signal into unidirectional signal, which converts the alternating current into pulsating DC current. That's how the diode acts as a rectifier.